Hello everyone, it's Dino, and I'm here with 3 people. The one that we always know, the cousin, and this idiot, Tony Rio. I'm just gonna call you me. Yeah, me. Oh my god. I actually don't know what to do besides just go on the internet, so let's do that.
The internet has some dangerous secrets.
I mean, gotcha life. I know there's something really bad about this. Gonna look for the cringiest one I can find. What is that? What?
Keep your volume off so I don't echo the entire video if there's sound.
Keep your volume off. What?
Keep the volume for the video off because if I watch the stream and there's audio on, it's just gonna echo super bad.
Okay. No. But.
Then all I'm gonna do is,
What? Why is there 2 of her? Why is there 2 of her?
Why do you laugh like a little turd?
Shut up! My throat still hurts, so I'm just gonna keep my voice like that.
Oh.
Ew. What?
Oh no, look at the art of one. Look in your bottom left corner.
Bottom left. Is this what you're talking about?
No, not that. Go down. And then to the left.
Whoa, what? Why do I see 2 things? That's disgusting. I don't know what to do. Hard boy. Whoa, they're
Oh, okay.
Hello there, Buster. Whoa there. Why do I keep changing my Gacha Life character? Why is that even a shirt? I'm trying to find what I bought. Oh boy, my throat hurts. And it's not making it any better. I'm not going to the doctors.
Yeah, go to the doctor.
I'm not going to the doctors.
Go to the doctor.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'll beat the crap out of you.
I got corona.
With this wooden.
I can't find anything, so this is the only thing we're gonna have to work on.
Wait a minute, Kylie.
Yeah?
How are we cousins?
Yeah.
It's like you're Jewish. What the heck?
I'm a Jew, and you're like something else.
I'm American.
Oh, what the?
Do I sound like a man because I am a Jewish person? I'm related to Jewish. That's what I am. Jewish. I'm half Mexican. Oh wait, I forgot. Jewish. Dolphin.
Dolphin man. It's Dolphin man. It's legit Dolphin man.
Dolphin. As soon as I said dolphin, I just looked up and saw Dolphin Man.
Excuse me, but what the?
Oh!
No thanks. Oh, okay. Goodbye. Oh. Gotta get some water. What is that? Ew. Disgusting. I mean, he's fixing to lie. Made in China. Made in China. Yes, made in China. Everything is made from China. Even the people that are something. Made in China. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go look. What do y'all want me to look up? Oh my god. You and your stupid whatever. Or I don't know. I have to look up in Discord.
No, it's
T-O D. Okay, I see it. 20 bucks, thank you. Oh my god. Let's see if we can find there. You know what? Gotcha life. Even better.
No.
Okay. No! No!
No.
What the? Why is everyone here a cat? Okay, why is it you and Tony Roku and Yuki, whatever that means? Or why are they all furries? Oh. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, search up Dobby.
Dobby. D A what? T
No, E-A-B-I.
E-A-B. I have a very Dabby, okay? Dabby, what? Oh. I can make it worse.
No.
I just made it worse than for you. I mean, I really don't see anything bad here. Oh god, okay, except I see that. What do I see? Why do people ship? Kate, Nicole, Luda, Harley, Alice. A lot of them are wearing skirts, I'm just gonna say that. What is that? Who took their time? And who has a child? Why? What? I feel like I'm gonna cough, but I don't want to cough. Dabby back. So we got your life. And I'm gonna just. Oh god, oh, what did I point out? What did I pull out? Dipping. Okay, we're going to YouTube, and I already see two things are wrong. No, I don't want to go to my Gmail. No. You don't know your Gmail? Actually, me too, because I don't know what's my Gmail. You are an idiot. Yes. Oh my god, what does it pop up again? Look at what. How Bakyu guy got his name. Okay. People I don't like meme. Right? That sent me home. What? Has anyone noticed that Skeptical has been like dead for like the longest time? Oh, she's mute. What is going on? Oh wait, it's 12. Whoops. Well, that's it, people. Yikes. I already see. Okay, yeah, I see some that I don't like. Goodbye.